Hey everyone, welcome back. And I've been away for a while now, sorry, but let's get to the question for the day, or day 13th of February. And this is the easiest question that you can ever get on LeetCode. I think I love this question because if you're feeling demotivated, then I guess do this question and you'll get some motivation to do LeetCode. So let's just go to the code directly. Basically, what we have to do here is you're given a array of strings and you have to return the first palindrome that you find inside that array of strings. That's quite easy. So for every word inside this list of words that I have, if a word double equals to the reverse of that word, in Python you can do a reverse of words or reverse of a string like this, return that word or return an empty string, because here you can see return an empty string if you don't get anything. That should be outside the loop. There you go. Submit. Patient. It's, I know I'm using the string reverse function and all this, but this is the best solution. Honestly, like this is really simple, and this is one of the best solutions that I can get. And I'll add the discussion section of this question is hilarious. I love this one. If I get this problem in a cooking interview, I'll shave my head and go make it. This is hilarious, man. It could is giving us sympathy. That's really like the daily problems lately are like dating my ex, a real roller coaster. Out lots of the easiest one today. And so see you in the next one. Bye.